Okay guys, so by request, I have a friend who requested that I make a video of a healthy, keto-friendly, low-carb fish recipe. So tonight, I'm going to be making, we have this grouper that Emma caught a couple of days ago when we were in Florida, and I'm going to be broiling the grouper with roasted vegetables, and we're going to be serving that onto a baby spinach salad. And it's a quick, easy recipe, and it's healthy. I mean, some of the things do have carbs, like for example, Parmesan cheese has carbs. It's low carbs. It's still considered to be carb friendly, so, or keto friendly. Our seasonings have a little bit of carbs. Peppers, they have carbs, but everything is low carbs. It's not no carbs, but it's low carbs. So we're gonna get this started. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take 2 zucchini, 3 bell peppers, have some chives, Parmesan cheese, rosemary, and then garlic salt, Old Bay, pepper, and then tons of olive oil. Typically with seafood, a lot of times we would use butter. In a healthy kind of option, you always want to try to use olive oil instead of using butter. Olive oil has very good flavor, and it's a lot healthier than butter is. But I'm gonna go ahead and chop these vegetables up. So we have all of our vegetables are minced, and I've cut up our zucchini and our bell peppers. I've chopped up our chives. This is some fresh rosemary that I minced. Have our asparagus. Everything's ready to go. Olive oil. I'm just going to add our vegetables. Italian seasoning. A smidgen of pepper. And a little bit of garlic salt. Vegetables are ready. Now we're going to get our grouper ready. We're going to get our grouper ready by, you guessed it, coating it in olive oil. We're feeding 4 people tonight, so I'm going to cut the fish into 4 portions. I'm going to add some Old Bay, a smidge of garlic salt, smidge of pepper. Now we're going to place our grouper onto the baking tray. Then we're going to add our rosemary. Now I'm going to add chives. After the chives, we're going to add Parmesan cheese. Then, after we have the cheese on there, then we're going to put a little bit of olive oil on our asparagus, and then we're going to put asparagus into the fish. A couple more pinches of cheese. And now these are ready to cook. We're gonna put this in the oven for about 25 minutes at 350. While our fish and our vegetables are cooking in the oven, like I said, we're gonna be serving this on a bed of baby spinach, kind of like a salad. It's not really salad, it's just spinach, tomatoes, and dressing. But we have our food cooking right now, so we're gonna add our potatoes. And for our dressing, we're using this This is Abingdon Olive Oil Company. And it's cranberry pear white balsamic vinegar. It has a little bit of carbs in it, but it is so good. Okay, our 25 minutes is up. Here is what I have. Isn't that beautiful? To finish this, we're going to just top it with just a smidge more of our salad dressing. This smells delicious. It looks delicious. And in just a second, we'll find out if it tastes delicious. So, have a nice dry Chardonnay. Also keto friendly. That is delicious. The way that everything mixes together, the grouper is cooked just right. It's very light and white. It's almost hard to believe that this is a healthy meal, but I assure you, this is low carb, keto friendly, delicious, simple, easy to make. I'm gonna go ahead and eat it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.